A whopping $120 million in revenues was reportedly lost over the 2 years that Champs was halted due to the pandemic. And as Jamila Maitland now reports, the coronavirus is also being blamed for another loss, school spirit associated with the event.
College, Edwina, KC, Ulmaz, KC, Calabar.
A wave of nostalgia outside the National Stadium to mark day one of the ISA Boys and Girls Championships. Last year, the event was held without spectators, and the year before, it was cancelled because of the pandemic. Shellyan Byfield, whose son is a long-distance runner, is hoping he will get scouted.
I feel very excited. My school is Sun School, win school challenge quiz, and I've now him on the tracks, so I feel very, very good.
It's early days yet, but she, like many spectators, are worried that the event may lose its appeal because of the pandemic. Police officers were seen manning empty ticket stations. Taxi operators waited idly, hoping to secure passengers, while there were very few vehicles in the parking lot. However, pre-COVID, ticket sales for early events were usually slow.
They're on the road from I try to dig out gas money. But I hope little more in a day and later on in the week by Friday, Saturday, because Saturday always be the biggest day. Yeah, so I hope things that we pick up.
The sport ministry says this year's Champs will be hybrid, having lost $70 million in 2021 because of the no fans decision. The event is also being streamed, so fans from all over the world can enjoy for a fee.
Vendors have already set up on the outskirts of the National Stadium, and although it's early days, they're welcoming the resumption of Boys and Girls Champs.
Look on my mouth lip, it's white, nothing ever that go on. Me that yarn. Straight.
And how you feel now, since you know it
We have to big up the government, Andrew. Wholeness. Yeah, we give thanks for it. You give you a little break, that we can eat back little food.
2 years now, when I get no chance, I'm out here sell my hand. Well, nothing to start bright up yet, you know. But you don't know, for the rest of the week, especially the Saturday where I come the last day, I straight selling.
The vendors say the school spirit isn't lost. They anticipate that in the coming days, more fans will fill the stadium and in return, they'll benefit. They also gave their predictions for the winning schools.
A Calabar, because them forward from straight.
Diego all the way, Diego.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.